Hi, Dylan Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a video on our brand new 2022 GMC Canyon Elevation with the 6-cylinder and full safety package. This thing has got your safety sensors right here in the bumper as well as in the front. Check out those black wheels. Comes beautiful looking truck with that Elevation package. Look at this front end. Got the blacked out grille here, those LED run lamps there, and the fog lamps right there as well. You got your remote start, power driver seat, safety features right here, cruise control, Bluetooth options. Check that out, the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, along with the backup camera, full towing package, USB plugins for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Only 12 miles on this thing. She is ready to roll for you. All-weather floor liners all the way through. Check that out in the back. Full crew cab along with, check that out, USB ports for the rear passengers as well. You do have your rear sliding window in the back here as well. This truck is ready for anything that you want to throw at it. Please give me a shout. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thanks a lot.